Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not receiving on Gmail. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. We click here on Gmail and we will enter. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we'll click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's it. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.